Caring for your feet can be as simple as using foot scrub. The foot exfoliators keep your feet refreshed, young, and healthy, and work to remove worn-out dead skin cells on the outer layer of the skin. And using natural, easy-to-find ingredients can easily be used for our foot care, which is more harmless and safer for skin. So we came up with 5 DIY foot scrubs that will provide baby soft feet instantly. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Lemon Foot Scrub. If you want a refreshing exfoliating scrub, this lemon foot scrub is the right choice for you. Let's go through the required ingredients. To prepare this easy lemon foot scrub, you will need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 4 to 5 tablespoons of almond oil, and 5 drops of lemon essential oil. Procedure and application. Mix all the ingredients together to a soft consistency and it's ready to use. Apply into your feet and scrub away the debris for 5 minutes and rinse away with lukewarm water. You will end up with soft, smooth feet. Let's check out the benefits of the ingredients. The sugar helps to penetrate skin cells and leaves your feet look fresh and rejuvenated. It also hydrates, moisturizes, and exfoliates your skin naturally. The almond oil helps to heal your dry, cracked skin of your feet and improve your skin with less flaking and cracking. And the lemon essential oil helps to nourish, cleanse, and exfoliate your feet. Peppermint Foot Scrub. If you suffer from tired feet, this peppermint foot scrub is the right choice for you. It exfoliates your skin while relieving your pain on feet. Let's check out the required ingredients first. To prepare this DIY foot scrub, you will need 1 cup of Epsom salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 4 drops of peppermint oil. Procedure and application. Just mix all the ingredients together and make a thick paste. That's how easy it is to make. Then scrub your feet for 10 minutes with the mixture. Leave it on for another 10 minutes. Wash and follow up with a moisturizer. Let's go through the benefits of the foot scrub. The olive oil helps to soften and moisturize the feet. The Epsom salt exfoliates dead skin of your feet, and the peppermint oil relieves aches and pain. Coffee ground foot scrub. Our next favorite foot scrub is made of easy-to-find ingredients at home that enhances the texture of your skin. Let's check out the required ingredients. This easy-to-make foot scrub is made of 2 tablespoons of coffee ground, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Procedure and application. Just mix all the ingredients and prepare a thick paste. Apply it all over your feet and massage for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it off. Let's go through the benefits of the ingredients. The coffee and sugar work to exfoliate your feet, remove dead skin, and tighten your skin. The coconut oil helps to soften your dry, flaky skin. Oatmeal Foot Scrub. If you are looking for a gentle DIY foot scrub, this scrub is great for you. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this foot scrub, you will need 2 teaspoons of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of honey, and water as required. Procedure and application. Mix all the ingredients to make a smooth paste. Apply the scrub on your feet and gently massage it for 10 minutes, then wash it off with lukewarm water. Benefits of the ingredients. The oatmeal gently exfoliates the skin without being too harsh. It also softens the skin on your feet and soothes minor rashes and itches. The baking soda enhances its exfoliating effect, and honey absorbs into skin and retains moisture from drying out. Relaxing foot scrub. Our last favorite foot scrub will provide you the ultimate relaxation to your feet. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this relaxing foot scrub, you will need 1 cup of Epsom salt, 4 to 5 tablespoons of almond oil, 5 drops of lavender oil, and 5 drops of lemon essential oil. Procedure and application. Just mix all the ingredients to make a smooth paste. Apply the scrub on your feet and massage it for 5 minutes, then soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Benefits of the ingredients. The salt helps to remove the dead skin of your feet. The almond oil nourishes the dry, cracked feet and keeps your skin moisturized. The lavender essential oil and lemon essential oil suits any kind of discomfort and provides relaxation. So these are our favorite DIY foot scrubs. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.